Okay guys, so this is day 2 and I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I do the next day after I have initially done my wash and go. So as you can see, I already just relaid my edges. That's all I did. I do not sleep with anything on my head. I just lay down, go to bed, not with this clip in my head, but nothing on my head. In the mornings, I do put this clip here because when I first do my wash and go, my bangs are down and I kind of like my hair up. So I stick that clip in to kind of let my hair know, hey, you need to stay up. So after I do my makeup or whatever, if my hair is smushed on the sides, which it is right now, I just leave it. I like it like that. So I leave the sides. Sometimes if they are frizzy, I will take some gel and I will just finger coil them just here. I don't do the whole back or anything. Yeah, let's see what the back's looking like. I don't know what the back's looking like, but anyway, whenever I get up, I just kind of do this to my hair. Because I know it's probably smashed or whatever. So I take my clip out, see how my hair is looking. If it looks okay, which I think it actually looks okay right now, that's it. Like, that's so simple. Who said natural hair to be hard? So I can keep lifting it with my fingers, but again, the more you touch your hair, the frizzier it'll get and the less that it will last. Now, if I'm just not feeling how shrunken my hair is, then I would take my blow dryer and I'm just gonna show you a little bit what I do, but I don't wanna do it too much today because, again, you guys probably heard me say that I like to stretch my wash and goes out to at least 7 days, but 10 days is more ideal. So this is what I would do. So my blow dryer is on medium and I think I'm gonna go low. So let's go low air. And all I do is just kind of focus the blow dryer at the root while I stretch my hair. And then see, you get that little bit of height. And I just do it kind of right at the top. I don't really mess with the sides. And we get that little bit of stretch. So that's what we do. I never do the front because I just feel like the front would just get frizzy way too fast. So that is it for day 2 hair.